Welcome to day number 11 of our 30-day progressive meditation series. Today I want to talk about judgment. How have you been considering your past meditation practices in the last 10 days? How do you feel about them? Most likely, you've been casting some kind of judgment on your performance, and maybe even ascribing that judgment to your personal sense of self-worth. So, what we want to do is move away from that kind of judgment and instead get more descriptive about what's going on. How well can you plainly state, without emotional attachment, without claiming something is good or bad, what your experience is like? Can you describe in detail the feeling of your breath, your posture, the excitement or relative relaxation of your mind, the tension you feel in your body? Think about what was leading up to your meditation, how you felt right before, and what happened after it. Use description as best you can, rather than casting a judgment about something being good or bad. And you'll find that you have greater clarity and gain more insights that will later help improve your meditation practice and experience. So having said that, and I'm going to talk a little bit more at the end of our time, prepare yourself for an 11-minute meditation practice. Take some time to move, take some deeper breaths, find your posture, and let's begin our meditation practice. Begin to find your tall, comfortable seat. Find your breath. Find a singular point of focus. And then begin to make your breath very smooth, relaxed, and serene. Feel a sense of relaxation in the head. Whenever you find yourself distracted, come back to your point of focus. Whenever you feel yourself casting judgment about how well you are doing, come back to your point of focus. come on back to your room and to your surroundings. Open your eyes and just take a moment to note how this meditation practice was for you. See if you can do that without judgment, just plainly stating what your experience was. Try and describe the qualities of your experience. The better we are at describing the qualities of our experience rather than casting judgment, the more insight and clarity we will have in our lives. Now, to do this, it requires that we suspend our judgment. And unfortunately, we can't suspend judgment indefinitely because we have to make decisions and we have to act. So there's this artful balancing that has to happen between making instantaneous decisions and judgments and then indefinitely postponing judgment and never taking any action. Now, art is not something that you just get right once and then you're done. It's something that you keep doing. So this is a lifelong process. But the main point of what I want to get across to you is that we most often, many of us, jump to judgments too quickly. And when we do that, we end up clouding the clarity of our perception. When we say that our meditation practice was good or bad, then how motivated are we to further explore what our meditation practice was? What happened within it? Instead, when you can be more descriptive, you gain better insight. This insight will illuminate for you things that you weren't aware of, that you can now act upon. Your subconscious mind will start to make connections to things in your life that you never realized before. And I'll get more into this in the coming 3 videos when we talk about nutrition, about listening skills, and about work. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.